welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing wonderful. And as you can see, I am in my place. My craft room, finally it's organized, and I will be publishing a couple of videos in the following weeks, so you can see how I have organized some things. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina. This is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you would like to watch these type of videos, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, I am going to share with you some projects that I made for a swap hosted by Scrap the World. She required for us to make one shape tag, a treat box, and also a 3x3 card. I am going to flip my camera so you can see what I sent out. Okay, my crafty friends, I am here showing the swap hosted by Scrap the World, and we were required to make one shape tag, one 3x3 note card with an envelope, and a treat bag. So let me show you the materials that I use for the swap. So this is my packaging, and for this topper I use the following die. Is this one by Lori Whitlock. So, and it looks like this. For the paper, I use regular pink cardstock by Bezel, and what I did was I stenciled the cardstock with this stencil from Ting Holtz, and use sponge sugar, distress ink, and pickleberry. So that's how I created this effect. And then I stamped these three little duckies. They came in this set of stamps, and where I got these was from this card making magazine from UK. For the bag, I used the Container Store kind of like pink holographic baggies, and as you can see, this detail I stitched, and I bought this fabric at Joann's Fabric a couple of weeks ago. It was a huge sale. They were like 50%, 60% sale. So I love this fabric. I've been using, I only bought like half yard, and this is how much I have left, and I just love it. Love all these flowers. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look inside. So I created 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 packages, and on the back I put my name, my YouTube and Instagram accounts, and then inside the baggie came like this. Oh. So let's take a look at, I'm just trying to avoid all the glare. This is from this other baggie. So I'm going to put this one here, and these are some goodies that I am including, some jammies and some acetate cut-aparts and paper cut-aparts from a Heidi Swap collection. So here is my, I'm going to zoom out a little bit more. Here is my treat bag. It's already, oops, I don't want to damage it here. And it's like this, and I stitch the swan with one of the papers from this collection, DCW Subtle and Sophisticated, and the rest I left it blank. And as you can see, the paper is kind of like embossed, like tiny little dots. That's why I wanted to just mirror and make it everything almost look consistent. The little dots dot in the treat bag, and for this treat bag I use a die, and the die is from Momenta, and this is how the die looks like. So this is the treat bag. I'm gonna put this back. And for the tag, we were required to make a shape tag, so and also include a sentiment on it. So I made this shape tag, shape of the swan. Again, I used the stamps and the die from the card making magazine set. I used my little fabric trim from Walmart, a little rhinestone from Queen & Company, and as you can see, I wanted to make like a 3D dimensional effect, so I stitched and stamped love you, sentiment, and used some pink glitter paper so it has some kind of an edge. I used an eyelet and a light pink, and I think it turned out really cute, sort of monochromatic, and on the back to and from. Yeah, I have been doing some monochromatic swaps, so I am right now in a monochromatic mood right now. And then for the 3x3 card, and everything is packaged, I use the same kind of a polka dot embossed paper, and use my swan metal die, and also the paper from the DCW Subtle and Sophisticated paper pad. Again, the trim from Walmart, Queen & Company, little rhinestone, and this is a glitter pink, kind of like a shaped, that I wanted just to make it some contrast on. And this is it. So I think everything turned out really cute, very monochromatic, and these are, I'm trying to put things like this so it doesn't glare too much. So it looked really cute. Really cute. Let me come closer here. So this is my swap, and I am going to be hanging like a little tag with the name of each of the my swap partners. And I had a lot of fun putting together this swap. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to continue watching these type of videos, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.